Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into best rocket money method to save for a big purchase. So here's a breakdown. If you're planning for a big purchase like a gadget, vacation, or new laptop, Rocket Money has tools that make saving easy and stress-free. Start by setting up a specific saving goal in the app so you have a clear target and deadline. Rocket Money will help you track your progress visually, which keep you motivated and focused. Next, use the automatic saving features to move small amount into a separate saving bucket on a schedule, weekly or monthly, depends on how you want it, so you save without thinking about it. Meanwhile, check the spending overview to spot subscription and areas where you can trim costs. That frees up extra cash you can redirect into the purchase fund. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more smart saving tips, and comment which big purchase you are trying to save up for. And that's it.